Hi everybody, hi Jim,
Hi
Spot.
Jim!
We're now on the AK sports car stand with
It's Wendy!
Wendy. Say hello Wendy and tell us what you got going on.
Hi Jim! Well, what we got going on? GT40, Cobra, as we know, the SS. We're bringing in the AKD. So that's the new one.
Tell us about that.
So the D-type.
Oh yeah. You've got.
We can't say what brand it is.
Yeah.
We haven't got one here.
I was going to say I was just looking. You
Not
haven't
got one
bought the
here.
D-type
No.
yet.
So first one's now in build.
Yeah.
Aiming to be finished for Christmas. Unfortunately, we've sold it, so the first one won't actually belong to us. One of those things. So that's all that's really happened in Camp AK for the last year.
Yeah.
So AK40s are still going out the door very quickly.
What engine in the C-type? Is that a
D-type. D-type.
D-type?
D-type.
Yeah.
So it will be 3.6 or
3.6.
Jaguar.
Yeah. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Look forward to seeing that.
Me too.
Yeah.
Even though we won't have the first car, won't be ours.
Once it's finished, it'll be out the door and gone.
Yeah.
We'll take some pictures of it and videos before
Lots
it does
of pictures,
go.
yeah.
Wendy, as ever, brilliant AK stand again, and it's been a pleasure talking to you again.
Love you.
We'll catch up soon. Yeah.
Thanks, John.
Thanks, Wendy. Been busy, Lord. Looks a bit quieter today. Well, we weren't here yesterday.
That's why I sort of made a survey. Everybody goes,